clear. Moving ahead. So there are certain myths about the profiles, and some people feel that good academic profile and work-ex is mandatory to get into IIMs. So I have taken this data. Whatever I'll be telling you is based on actual statistics, and this information is released by the IIMs on their website. I have considered the IIMs here because there are 20 IIMs, and you can get a feel about which all IIMs allow, which all IIMs don't allow. But yes, it is equally true for other B schools also. So if we talk about the 14 IIMs, there are 14 IIMs which have less than 40% weightage, okay, to good academics or academic profile and work-ex. You can see from the table that there are 9 IIMs which have 0% weightage in the shortlisting stage for academic profile and work-ex. So there your CAT percentile is the sole criteria which will give you a call in IIM Shillong, Kashipur, IIM Ranchi, IIM Raipur, Trichy, Udaipur, Sambalpur, Bodh Gaya, Amritsar, right? So these 9 IIMs will give you a call based only on your CAT percentile. Your academic profile and work-ex will not matter much. In fact, it will not matter at all. So you should not feel that you have no chance if you have a bad academic profile or you don't have a work-ex. IIM Kozhikode, around 10 to 15% weightage is there. IIM Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Kolkata, Lucknow, Rohtak, they have 21 to 40%. So if you see, there are roughly 14 IIMs which have less than 40% weightage to academic profile and work-ex, and 60% weightage is on the CAT score, which is completely in your hand. You are in May right now, so May, June, July, August, September, October, November, roughly 7 months, and you can definitely maximize your CAT score and get into these 10 IIMs easily, even if you have a bad academic profile or you do not have work-ex. I hope this gives you some confidence for people who are worried about their profile. And obviously, you can enhance your profile post the CAT exam. You will have 2.5 months. Also, you should do, we'll talk about it, how you can build more on your profile. But this number is just to, and this is the data of last year, 2019-21 batch, 18-20 batch. So this is a recent data, not something it is not an old data. So if you go to the website, you'll find these criteria mentioned there. Some people feel that in the final selection, they should have good academic profile and work-ex. Otherwise, the final selection will be hampered. Again, the data suggests that it is not true. There are 16 IIMs which have less than 30% weightage to academic profile and work-ex while giving you the final calls, the final selection, right? So less than 10% weightage is given by these 6 IIMs. IIM Kolkata, it is it is a favorite college for people who want to go to the top IIMs but have a bad academic profile, have not so good academic profile. IIM Lucknow again, Kashipur, IIM Kozhikode, and Shillong, Kashipur, Amritsar. These 6 IIMs have less than 10% weightage on the academic profile and work-ex combined. IIM Ahmedabad, Indore, Ranchi, Rohtak, Trichy, Udaipur, these have less than 20% weightage. So you can see that there are 15-16 IIMs which have lesser weightage to the less than 30% weightage to academic profile and work-ex in the final selection. Some people feel that weightage for CAT is less and more to academic profile, work-ex and other areas, gender diversity, which is again not true. If you see, as I have told you in the previous slides, 100% weightage is given to the CAT only by these 9 IIMs, which I have talked about earlier as well. 60 to 80% weightage is given by Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Kozhikode. So you can easily see the weightage to CAT is very high, and it is of utmost importance that you try and maximize this. Some people feel that if they have a bad profile, not only academic but otherwise other areas also, if they do not have a certification, they do not have internship, job, so basically saying that they have a bad profile and they do not have work-ex, they have no chance to get into IIM. It is again not true. Most IIMs give very high weightage to controllable factors. What are controllable factors? Controllable factors are something which is in your control today, right? So today you have the CAT percentile fully in your control. You have the GDPI VAT performance fully in your control. Also, you can build your profile by doing certain activities, certain courses, internships. We'll talk about it. But then majorly CAT percentile and GDPI VAT is fully in your control, and most IIMs give very high weightage to those factors. So if you talk about these 9 IIMs, these IIMs, IIM Shillong, Kashipur, Ranchi, Raipur, Trichy, Udaipur, Sambalpur, Bodh Gaya, Amritsar, they have 100% weightage to the CAT and your GDPI VAT. Even IIM Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Kozhikode, Trichy, Amritsar, Kashipur, they also have a high weightage. Okay. Some people feel that CAT cutoffs are very high. You need to get 98, 99 plus to get into IIMs, but it is not true. If you look at the new IIMs, their cutoff is around 1995. Just to give you an example, last year's cutoff for IIM Rohtak was 96 percentile for general candidates, 75 for OBC NC, and other categories 65 and 42 SC ST. So getting a 95, 96 is not tough. As you know, I hope since you are preparing for CAT, you know the difference between percentile and percentage. Percentile is nothing but, so if you say if you get a 96 percentile, what does it mean? It means that you are ahead of 96% people who have taken the CAT exam, who have written the exam, right? So, but then it also means that you are 4%, you are behind 4% people who have written the exam. So supposing 2 lakh people are writing the exam and you are at 96 percentile, that means you are below 8,000 students. 1 percentile would be 2,000 students. So you are below 8,000 students, and getting a rank of 8,000 in a competitive exam, I don't think it is very tough. You can get it if you work hard, if you follow a discipline, if you are disciplined, consistent, and you work well, you can easily get 95, 96 percentile. So I am giving you an example of IIM Rohtak, but all the colleges which are in the same league, like IIM Ranchi, Raipur, Udaipur, Kashipur, they all have a percentile range of 90 to 95 for the general candidates. Okay, this is just to give you a boost in your confidence, to boost your confidence that the CAT cutoffs are not very high. Yes, you have to pass a threshold in the other in all areas of the exam, like QA, VARC, and LRDI. You cannot skip any one area. You have to be good. But then, if you get around 95, you have a good chance of getting into an IIM.